Do you live in Michigan? Do you ever wonder why your auto insurance rates are so high? In this episode of What's Up With That? Questions from Insurance, we're going to explore the factors that cause us in Michigan to have the highest rates in the country. Stay tuned for more.
Here comes the sun.
And you know, one of the things that's more painful than looking into the sun at a solar eclipse without those really cool glasses?
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun.
Is looking directly into your premium for your auto insurance in the state of Michigan. Ouch, it hurts. Let's give you a little lesson on why NoFault Insurance even exists. And the theory, the logic behind it, is that it's a system that simplifies claims and processing. Instead of trying to figure out who's at fault and then go through that insurance company, NoFault Insurance eliminates that, keeps things out of the court system in theory, and allows us to go to our own insurance carriers in spite of who's at fault. Now, there are 12 states currently who are using NoFault Insurance as their state law. Michigan is one of those. The last 4 years, all of those states, Michigan has found itself in the dubious place of being number one on a list that no one wants to be number one on. The highest rates in all the country. There are reasons why. Let's go into those very simply, very quickly. In a no-fault state, there is a personal injury protection that is required. It's medical coverage in the case of an auto incident. Every state has different ways of handling the amount that is available. The second highest state limit for medical personal injury protection is the state of New York. They have a limit of $50,000. Michigan is the highest limit. You want to guess what their limit is? It's unlimited. We have claims from the 80s that are still open, still being paid, that are in the millions of dollars. Because of that, the state of Michigan created the second factor that causes your insurance to be higher than everyone else. The Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association, or the MCCA. I tell my kids all the time, they have these little piggy banks beside their beds and they put coins and they put dollars in there, and I tell them to save up for a rainy day. The Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association is the rainy day fund for carriers. There is a limit by the state that they must pay up to for medical expenses from an auto incident. Everything beyond $555,000 is taken out of this MCCA fund and given back to the carriers to recoup some of the cost. Now, if you came into the office today and you asked me for a quote, at the bottom of that quote would be an MCCA fee for every vehicle that you have. 2 vehicles, 2 MCCA fees. Guess what that is? It's $170 per vehicle. 2 cars, 2 times you would have that $170. We wonder what would happen if the state of Michigan would take on a limit like every other no-fault state and put into place even $1 million limit. It's still quite a bit higher than every other state around. If you want more information, go to our website, danielsoninsurance.com, where we wrote a blog about this, and in that blog there are links to some different reform ideas. Contact your state representative, contact your legislatures. We thank you for this opportunity to explain the situation more. If you have questions, contact us at 906-779-1900. We would love to talk to you about that. Reach out to us on our Facebook page, Danielson Insurance, or go to our website where you can get lots of information, even a free quote. Thank you as always, and when you think insurance, think Danielson's.
It's alright.